I thought I'd jump on you really quickly. I was very well prepared for my workshop today. I prepared all the documents, the presentation, the mega interview prompt, everything. And for some reason, there were 3 Zoom links that were all different and none of them worked. The guest speaker got the time zone mixed up and thought it was tomorrow, because over here in New Zealand, we're generally ahead of most countries. So kind of just everything went wrong. And I was actually quite excited to deliver it because it's game-changing stuff. It's going to make the way you think about AI, complete the way you use and look at AI very differently, and it's going to make a massive impact on your content creation, including images, etc. So we're going to go over the SELFVoice. So the SELFVoice scores you on 7 different popular personality tests like Kolbe, Enneagram, DISC, Human Design, Love Languages, and the Big 5. And then you paste this big prompt into ChatGPT, paid or pro, and it will interview you. And afterwards, it will create a snippet. So I'm going to show you just quickly what a snippet looks like. I'm just going to share my screen here. So when we go to ChatGPT,